What?
She has video evidence that happened. She has video evidence that happened.
I'm always camera person, remember?
Yes, my personal videographer. That's not going to be nervous or anything. Okay, crime first. So, what are the various heinous crimes you would like to suggest?
Tax fraud.
Or do you want to be video person? Because I'm not very good at being video person.
Murder? That's so boring.
Do you want to be video person? Because I'm not always the greatest. My hand is always really shaky.
Wait, let's do the yellow hand raise method because.
Do you want to be video person?
I know I have enough voices talking in my head as it is.
And then you zoom in and out with this.
Okay, we've had
Because
murder,
I always
we've
try
had
to
tax
go
fraud.
back and forth between whoever's talking.
Anybody else? Yes.
Kidnapping of children.
Kidnapping of children. Interesting. Yes.
Doctor malpractice.
What malpractice?
Doctor.
Dog malpractice?
Doctor, yeah.
Doctor malpractice. Okay. We have malpractice, tax fraud, murder, kidnapping of children. Yes.
Arson.
Arson. Interesting. These are all pretty realistic crimes. I'm kind of surprised that you're all. Yes.
Genocide.
Genocide.
What up you? Populicide.
What aside?
Populicide.
Populicide.
Populicide. Populicide is attempting to commit arson against the entire population.
Oh,
So we have killing everyone or burning everyone.
yeah!
Why not both? Okay, it seems like that's pretty good. Everyone good with that? So who is on trial for trying to kill and burn everyone possibly at the same time? Yes.
Ganondorf.
Ganondorf. That sounds like a Ganondorf thing to do. Monokuma.
Yeah. Okay.
That's pretty obvious, but I mean, if you guys want it, anybody else who should be guilty? Who should be? I don't want to say guilty because that's prejudicing the jury.
Nezuko.
Nezuko?
Dobby.
That's a really weird thing.
Wooper.
Yes.
Who?
Wooper, the Pokemon.
Wooper. The
Oh, Wooper the Pokemon.
You see the cold dead eyes? You know.
The water type is burning everyone.
Don't put skull.
I'm not going to question it. I'm the Wooper card for me next. You got some more suggestions? You want to go with one of the ones that were said? Bakugo?
That's too obvious.
That's pretty obvious. I think he does that like on a daily basis, or wants to do that on a daily basis. You want Wooper or someone else? Anybody? Okay, Wooper, the small little blue Pokemon, wants to kill and melt everyone. Yes.
Let's do Twilight Sparkle. My Little Pony.
Which generation though?
I want to. I know.
The tiny one. The
Oh
little one.
God.
Wooper and Twilight Sparkle, or you just want one of them?
Both.
Both.
Oh my God.
Wooper and Twilight Sparkle join forces to burn and kill everyone. All right. We're off to a great start. Okay. So I would say everyone would be the defendant, but who is the one person in particular, well, possibly just one, who is going to be the, oh wait. Yeah, they're the plaintiffs, so wait, no. They're the defendants.
Yes.
Yeah.
I don't know who they would be the plaintiffs against. Okay, so who is the plaintiff accusing them of trying to burn and kill everybody?
Dobby.
Who?
Dobby.
Dobby?
My brother.
Sorry, I'm getting used to the muffled mask voices, I'm sorry. Yes? Charizard. Charizard doesn't want the world to burn. That's...
Dobby.
You're no reverse card. Any other defendants?
Inosuke.
Inosuke?
I thought it was the
He doesn't want to kill everybody?
Yes.
Goku?
No, not Goku. Ren Goku.
Ring Goku.
Oh, Rengoku.
The donut.
Okay, perfectly disclaimer here. I don't know every single anime. I've watched Demon Slayer, but it kind of just went through one ear out the other. Don't let that stop you. I will ride with it. I will ride or die by it. Yes. Metapod? Are we on a Pokemon kick today?
Yes.
Yukari.
Shinji.
Shinji Yukari?
Yeah.
Evangelion.
Evangelion. Okay, get in the murder robot. Do we want to keep going, or do we have one more of these people? Things, objects.
Charizard.
Charizard? Okay. So we have our first case Whooper and Twilight Sparkle are accused of wanting to kill everyone and burning everything. Or did they succeed already?
I guess
Yes.
We'll find out, we'll find out. Okay, I need a Whooper and Twilight Sparkle.
I'll be Whooper.
Whooper, come on up. Twilight Sparkle? Alright, cool. I need a Charizard. Okay, Charizard. But now I need a prosecuting attorney. You two want to be prosecuting and defense attorney together?
Sure.
Come on up, pick one. Okay. Prosecution. Okay, so prosecution. Charizard, or you're Whooper. Okay.
Oh.
I'll prosecute Whooper. You defend him.
That's not what you want to hear your attorney say before the case.
How are you going to defend Whooper? Have you seen him?
Okay, so you guys can use that microphone there. I will pass this one off and use the natural charisma of my voice. However well that's going to work. I don't know if you guys want to, I don't know how this is going to work with your masks. I'm in the middle here to like social distancing.
Yeah.
If you want me to put my mask on while you're up here, I can. I don't, my senpai mask. Okay. Court is now in session for the trial of Whooper and Twilight Sparkle, who are accused of wanting to kill and burn everyone, and Charizard, who's like, please don't. So prosecuting attorney, your opening statement, please.
Opening statement. Okay. So, I'll just stand on the stage.
You can do what you want. Go for it.
My client here, obviously a fire type Pokemon. They have the most to lose on the world burning. Everybody would blame them instantaneously. There's no questions about it. However, who would you least suspect to burn the world down? That's right, a water type. Yeah, a dirty water type. Like
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's not get
Like
menace here.
Whooper.
Objection. My client, I'd like to strike for the record.
That's tightness.
Look at him. Small. Helpless. Yeah, okay.
Does
Tell
that,
that to
look
your
like,
victim.
does that look like the face of mercy to you?
Yeah, exactly. Cold, dead eyes. Like the people he killed. And then proceeded to burn, I guess. That one might have been a mix.
We're going to need info on how the water type set people on fire, but we will get to that. Defense, how do your clients plead?
Whooper.
Not guilty, Your Honor.
All right, that's good enough for me. Well, I guess I kind of have to do this. Okay. Do you have any evidence or witness statements supporting that they have committed these crimes?
I believe I do. I believe Bulbasaur was at the scene of the crime
All right.
as it was committed.
Who here is the tentacle type? Yes. All right, Bulbasaur. We need your account of the situation. Thanks for coming.
Bulbasaur. Bulbasaur.
They asked you to do what with your vines?
It was a
Bulba.
We're going to need a whole new trial for that. Right now, that's pretty damning. Okay, what do you all have to say in response to that damning testimony?
Your Honor, I understand this may look very damning to my clients, but I assure you, this is simply just a case of mistaken identity here. All right, you know, water type and a unicorn setting fire to the world. Personally, I believe Bulbasaur's testimony should be completely stricken from the record. With their history of drug abuse, I don't believe it's
objection. Irrelevant.
I mean, it was coherent, and you know, if a trader wants to dope their Pokemon up on protein and other stat boosting items, is that really for us to decide? Well, it'll be for the jury to decide later.
But truly, was Bulbasaur sober at that time? It seems quite a far reach for
Objection?
the never believed victim. but-
Rare candies are legal in this state.
Granted, if you saw people burning and killing everything, I would probably get drunk too.
There's no proof that they did or did not do it. There could simply have been a bad trip, Your Honor.
Charizard, can you you're like looking at this like. So defense, you claim that this whole thing is a worldwide drug trip.
16 are dead in the news. How can you blame it on the drug trip?
Bath salts.
16 people simultaneously took bath salts and died.
Have you been to Florida?
That's fair. That's fair. I feel like there'd be more alligators involved in that though.
Twilight Sparkle, I'm just concerned, like, what is your part in all this? Were you, like, why are you with Whooper today? What caused this?
Admit it.
Were you involved in the manufacturing of these drugs?
Oh.
No.
Now, Your Honor, I believe that Twilight Sparkle's companion is a dragon at some point. Maybe a dragon that could shoot fire?
Does Whooper evolve into a dragon?
No, not Whooper.
Well,
They have friends in low places.
Oh.
There's a lot of like Titan stuff coming from you. I'm not sure if I appreciate that.
I move to completely wipe this case on typist motivation. Clearly the plaintiff seems to have something against my clients for who
I mean,
they
the
are.
prosecutor does.
The prosecutor.
I mean, Charger just seems like they're along for the ride, and we have drug trips, we have typists, we have Whooper ponies.
well, the fire-breathing dragon was a rarity at the time, doing God knows what.
So there is a fire-breathing dragon somewhere.
Yes, but
You're on
he
this
was
one
a-
right there.
Well, yes.
So that's an admission.
So were you with Charizard? Were you with Rarity at the time of this incident? Do you have anyone who saw them together that could shed some more light on this case?
Rainbow Dash.
Rainbow Dash.
Yeah.
Do we have a Rainbow Dash? I wouldn't want to be Rainbow Dash either. I don't get it. There we go. Yeah.
Which side am I on?
You're over here. You are. All right, Rainbow Dash. Did you see Charizard with? Was it Rarity? I can't keep the pony straight. Okay,
Spike with
forgive me.
rarity.
Yeah, Spike with
Spike with rarity.
Spike with
Yeah,
Rarity.
because-
Oh wait,
yeah,
wait.
not
That was Spike.
No, Spike is Twilight
Spike is
Sparkle's
the
little
friend from Low
companion
Places.
who breathes fire and is a dragon.
So they're
Oh.
trying
Like
to
the
use a
purple
dragon
green
dependent on a dragon.
I'm learning all this MLP lore today. This is great.
Oh, it's
Well, not really. Okay.
Wow, hey, I'm Twilight Sparkle. This is how I talk now.
No, you're Twilight Sparkle.
I'm
You're
Twilight
Twilight Sparkle.
You're
I'm
Rainbow
really.
Identity theft. Guilty.
I'm seeing rainbows all the time, man. Listen, yeah, I saw Spike and Chair Rarity together. I'll never unsee it, man.
What were they doing?
Do you know what BDSM is?
Oh, God.
That's where the vines come in from.
That's what Bulbasaur had to do with all this.
Investigation. I might agree with the defendant on their reasoning for burning and killing the buck. Like,
Justified.
this might be justified.
I haven't been able to unsee it.
It's not even 10 o'clock in the morning yet. Do either sides have anything else to add before I dump this mess in the jury and make them deal with it? Yes.
I have some evidence to submit.
Sure, why not? This is the true Ace Attorney way, last minute evidence to change the
I have a water type lighter.
Yes! Yes! The alchemy works! Oh, no. Let it.
I find it very
I mean, do Pokemon have fingers?
Yes!
Section, you can't rule out evidence brought in by the chief of police.
What? You think Carmen Sandiego is a law-breaking citizen? I don't think so.
No.
What have they ever done?
No.
Okay, so we have justified homicide or justified genocide and burning, BDSM, drug trips,
Lightable water.
flammable water, prototype lighters, whooper, killing. Jury! You all look so capable today. So first of all, I need to know, what is the verdict? Are the defendants guilty? Is the plaintiff guilty? Is somebody else guilty? I mean, I want to accuse somebody so not everyone's going to be innocent.
The world is guilty. Yes.
No, raise your hand if you want to. So the world itself is justified in being burned.
Yes, the world is
Oh, we just mentioned a guilt.
Yeah, don't mention it. Who what? Plead the fifth. Do you think you have constitutional rights in my court? So we have blame the world. It's okay to burn it all. Anybody else? Yes.
The defense attorney, whatever. The prosecuting attorney is typist.
Prosecuting attorney is guilty for being typist. Water type starters, rise up. Anybody else? Yes.
Rainbow Dash is on drugs.
Rainbow Dash. Should we escalate that to everyone is on drugs?
Yes.
But are they legal or not? All the stores were.
It's true.
Or Rainbow Dash is drugs legal?
Are the magical sparkle pony dust drugs legal?
You know Celestia banned those in 48.
It's legal in Colorado, damn it.
Are there any Celestia drug lawyers present who can give more background info?
Your Honor, my client was never tested for drugs, let alone this is a baseless claim. All right. Also, it is perfectly legal in Colorado, where she's from. So there's certainly a lot of setting of statements here with absolutely no evidence backing it up.
Do you think no evidence is going to stop me? Do you realize whose courtroom you're in?
I trust in the judicial system and your integrity as a judge.
Whoa. That's the biggest mistake
Your Honor.
That should get a mono guilty for that.
Okay. So we have, are we accusing the prosecutor? Are we accusing the world? Or is there anybody else we want to accuse? Yes.
What? Plot twist.
Yeah, you said it all.
What, me?
After conversating with the defense attorney, we believe this has been a ploy for you to get more money. You've been hosting these trials under baseless claims and bringing us in here for no reason other than to gain your own wealth.
Make your wife and my wife here right now.
Guilty or not guilty? You're setting all this up.
Okay, raise your hand if the world is to blame. We live in a society. Okay, raise your hand if everyone was just on drugs. Okay, it looks like Joyce Paper. Raise your hand if it's me. Sorry, let me my eyes. Let me do a recap here. Raise your hand if it's for the drug policy. Everyone's doing drugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there's like 10. Raise your hand if it's me.
I say the hands have called.
You know, today this really does make me want to kill everyone and burn everything. So maybe this is the true outcome all along.
Is this an admission of guilt?
Yeah.
I plead. Wait, I can't use constitutional rights. I already got rid of that.
Seems like you've walked yourself into a hole.
I would have set this hole on fire, man. All right, Jerry. What is my punishment then?
Yeah.
You have to admit you called Papa John's daddy.
Well, that's admit that. Was that a film?
Yes, it is.
So we're referring to a previous anime court session where we had Papa John's come up here and I had to call him Daddy.
No, you asked him if you could call him daddy.
That's right. Yeah. I can't pretend I didn't ask for it. But I already did that though. I do call Papa John Daddy. Yes.